plate.
Hey, cool dude, okay, you're not.
Dude, I'm the definition of cool.
Oh my god, dude. Shut up.
Like when someone says I'm cool, they must be like, yeah, I'm thinking of. I'm
I hate
like
that.
Aditya, bro. Okay, that was actually bad. Sorry.
Yeah, just shut up.
70 ping.
I'm getting 130 losers. Sort of console god.
Oh, really? Pretty sure.
Start the.
That one doesn't carry, guys.
Does anyone need
I'm
this?
live.
Stun a vendor. Get you
Battle
supplies.
Royale. Gas is
Okay, I'm down. Let's go, Bonnie. Let's go, Bonnie.
No, no.
Yeah, supposed to.
Anyone need this? You got none.
We'll go this side.
Go with it.
Blue side, okay.
Green,
Blue,
green,
everyone on
green,
blue. Everyone on blue.
Fine,
boy,
green.
Okay, green.
Blue,
Everyone on
blue,
green.
blue.
Everyone on green. Everyone on green. These are shit don't know how to coordinate.
Aha, I got Robin first.
I need shooting there.
Finding me around.
Clear to engage all targets.
I need a gun.
Oh, shit on me! Oh, fuck that.
Oh my god, I need a gun.
How did you guys escape so easily? Holy shit, it's so irritating.
Wait, dude, what?
Right.
Oh.
It was literally 1 HP.
Maybe left the game.
Yeah.
No, he ran away, he ran outside.
Oh, I'm gonna shot.
Or not. I see. Little rat. Come here, bitch.
Did you get him?
Yeah, I see him.
No, I don't see him. He's running around like a rat.
Pretty good. Why do you have a...
I see him.
Why did I drop my...
Oh my god, can we get this guy?
On me, guys. Oh my god, I'm so dead. That's it, please.
Down him, down him.
T-ban. Ass
I
hand.
think I can get the rest. Thanks, bro.
Is anyone near you?
What?
Yeah.
No. You guys go some plates. You guys go some plates.
No.
God.
Here. I dropped.
Yeah, more
I dropped.
guys.
What do you want to do?
I can buy load on
I
myself.
dropped plates.
Place on me. Take 2 on me.
Body armor
Car
here.
outside. Oh my god, everything.
He's on top.
I'm going
He's on
outside.
top.
Yeah, father, come with you.
Oh, I'm gonna shot.
No, I'm not
Yeah,
with
he's
you.
on top.
Sorry. Wait, where is this guy?
Sprayed him. Downed him.
Nice.
Yo, can I get some kills?
That was a god peak right there. No teabag him. No worries, I'm gonna execute him also.
Losing
Let
ground.
me have the teabag.
Yeah, eat my balls.
Father,
Eat my
please,
balls.
please.
Get executed.
Father.
Yeah.
Don't ever. Anyone has loadout? I mean, anyone has.
Yeah.
Show
On me? Back him?
Fine, load.
Got a loadout drop.
Imagine not being taken seriously that that the enemy teammate is by the
Enemy
loadout.
UAV overhead.
I think disrespected that part.
Sorry.
He didn't even do a single shit about you. Okay,
I
let's
can
see.
get back to you, it's my bad.
Yeah. Someone carry a UAV. Wow.
But considering another, if you didn't tell him, he probably would just keep the cat. More guys.
Shot.
Downed him.
Oh my, even my kill. Come on.
Oh, from the back.
Okay,
Yeah.
Someone please rest.
Stole both my kills.
Someone just rest. Stole my kills, they're already dying over here. Like,
Both my kills. Yeah, sorry.
I didn't steal any kills. I cracked 2 people.
No, I
down.
literally lasered both of them.
You shut up.
You shut up. I hate you. Yeah, another video.
get it, okay, I'm fine.
What a dude, I'm not even kidding. I lasered one, he just dies. I lasered the other,
Okay, who cares, man? Just come. Guy in super slow. Popping you.
What is talking about? Oh shit. Oh my god.
We'll go
We'll go orange.
Yes. Let's go. With the number of people. 2 teams, actually it's 2 teams.
Look at the number of people. You know that means you have a high chance of dying.
Dude, what kind of mentality does this guy have?
Okay. I'm gonna push.
They're both bottom.
Oh my
One guy
god.
here.
Okay,
I see one.
how do you determine the bottom? I don't understand. I got spotted. Someone
I
said
cracked one,
recon.
I'll tell you. I cracked one.
Friendly UAV overhead.
I got spotted.
Yes, we know.
Another buy. Go down another.
I killed one, I filled
Handing him
one.
I'm going for my food. This
Yeah,
guy is
bye.
handing him deployment cover. Like, get out. My proud dude.
He's not on top.
He's there.
Go with it.
Thanks for the plates.
Oh shit!
Coming. C4 in top. 10 hit shit.
Bro, he's on
Fast,
green
fast,
building. What are you doing? Oh, yep, he sees it.
Oh my
He's
bad. On me.
down him.
Crack him.
Hey, how did you down from there?
Sniper, bro.
I got another guy. You guys didn't see this guy. There was another guy just chilling coming to me.
Oh, guys there.
Yo, I'm gonna buy another UAV for him.
Down door.
Nice.
What?
Nice.
Oh,
Finished one. My marker.
You're getting beat.
I'm popping UAV. I'm popping UAV.
Yeah, pop up.
But does anyone have a UAV?
I have one.
No.
Bro, what are you wait? Okay, wait.
But I thought you're popping. What do you
Friendly
mean?
UAV over.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy and then pop.
Down him.
Nice. He's running away.
I'll put him.
This guy is running away. Wait to get him.
Why zone?
Guy right there.
Contact.
I marked him.
He has to
Yes,
come zone.
move.
Bro. You guys need to come zone too.
Loadout drop in.
I downed him. He might be.
Nice. Man, my kill, bro. Dude, I literally went all the way out to get him.
And then I sniped him from way back.
Gas inbound. Safe
You
zone
have to topic actually power the leading by UAV.
Yeah, but needle really go cash.
So guys, also make sure you fully loaded class, so like ghost class grab looks different.
Same.
Because everyone has gold grab,
Wait, why?
trying to figure out who's
What? I can't get my STR.
Mine's the
guys.
same.
Oh my god, I
Oh
can't
my god, look at zone.
STR. I can't get engineer.
Hey, Max Distance.
Yes. Got you. Oh no, I have someone else's STR.
Shield or baiting me so hard, brother. But no,
I'm going blue.
Enemy team is tracking
I
your
don't know.
location.
no, why?
What?
Why would he go to blue ever?
Oh, how do you beat the crossway Warzone tournament?
Oh, miss one. On top.
Oh, on top.
Crack
Where?
him. This kid won't die.
Losing ground.
Okay,
Where?
I don't mark it. That building.
Oh, okay, I'll go.
Oh my
I'm
god.
dead. I'm dipping.
Oh my god, this guy.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Requesting recon.
Oh, the guy.
Nice.
I got the blue guys.
Down him, kid.
Nice.
He's outplayed him, guys.
You're far, where are you, dude? Come to it.
Yo, that
That
guy
is two on
in
you.
front of
Yeah, the guy in front of us.
yellow.
He's in the open. I'm gonna try to beam him.
Fadil?
Yeah,
I think this guy
coming.
behind.
Red is two.
Behind,
I
no.
think it's a ghost squad.
Oh yeah, there's two more guys in blue.
Yeah, this guy is AFK. Third team, right?
Returning to resupply.
Yeah, he disconnect.
Yo,
No,
another car
car.
coming, boys, car coming.
Please come here as a C4. Come here as a C4. No, where?
Oh,
What's
it's
on
the
there?
most
Where is he going?
Let's just go.
I get-
Yeah, watch me get ambushed right now.
We're with you.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna snipe.
Oh,
Again,
yeah.
again,
Yes,
sorry.
it is.
80 people. 80 people here.
Where
Where
are
is he?
they?
Oh, look at them. They're so far away. So far away.
How many plates you guys have? How many plates you guys have?
It's them on it.
Oh, wow.
Simon.
You're safe.
I don't cover
I
them.
Nice.
Nice.
Over there, be over
Gotta
there.
get the food.
Going this way.
I
Gotta get
can't-
the food, gotta
I
get the food.
can't get off. Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
I can't even
I
see
got
from here.
one guy.
No, dude,
Oh, he's rising, dude.
he's gonna res, man. Oh my god, how many
Yeah, it's nothing even about it.
Oh, they're still there,
I'm
boys.
hiding. Let it go soon. Leave.
I downed one. Oh my god, I'm going.
Nice.
Dude, there are guys here somewhere.
Yeah, I heard.
Where, first, where?
In front of me somewhere. In front of me.
I got my kill.
Nice.
Yeah, he
I'm
left,
dipping.
I think.
Truck.
Truck, boys, truck.
He's going up.
Oh, another car incoming.
Yeah, I got
Other car.
it. Please don't tell me it's serious, Toby. Please.
Nice.
Let's go.
Oh, shit,
Yeah.
hurry.
How many?
Oh, nice. So. One guy.
Just deleted the car.
I think he's a
Dude,
truck
this
guy.
is
I think
really
he's a
5
truck
people
guy.
left, guys.
Bro, this game is mad stacked. I need plates, man. Yeah,
Yeah,
one.
dude, I have
Like,
one
really,
plate. Dude, we need a trophy, bro.
Oh, I'm getting sniped. Oh my god.
Yeah,
I'll die now.
Plate up.
Bro, where you all at? Where you all getting sniped down?
Yeah, exactly.
This is why I said just rotate. Just don't even waste time.
Come, punch, leave it.
Wait, I'm just plating here. I'll come.
Okay.
I'm buying plates over here.
Dude, those snipes I was hitting.
Guys, right here. I'm keep down.
Yeah, okay.
But
But push together though.
was fucking vomited right now.
I can't see
That
him.
happens like little bit of vomit comes into your mouth. I see him.
Mark him.
Track him.
I'm
I
moving.
tracked him. Found him.
Come out.
Follow him. I think there's one more kid, yeah?
There is.
Oh, the bounty kids are coming in.
Setting charge.
Where are they?
2 C4.
Where is it? 2 C4. I don't think it's
ATV coming. Oh, they stopped in the back seat.
Spray together.
Oh, they're fighting.
They're fighting.
Hold, don't guard it. We're watching.
Okay, another car here. Another car.
Oh, I see
Here.
them.
Yeah, I know. Don't distract yourself. Just fight one person at a time. I saw that. I almost got him. I will get him.
One more kid, right? One more kid.
They're so weak.
Hit him
Both
a
of them
couple
weak.
of
Both of them weak.
Oh, he's shooting at me.
Cracked him. They're mad weak.
Ah, he's down. He's weak. You guys got him. Oh, yeah. You went down.
Oh no.
Oh, he's fighting.
He's shooting me. Window.
Kill him.
Oh my god, I'm dead. I told you.
Team up. What? You died?
I'm a
I told you.
They'll fight for a
No,
chance.
I'm good. Oh,
Okay, I can help.
no. How much time is
So we
it?
need you right now.
33 seconds. No way, man.
Boys,
How
ammo
much I
here,
get close to
plates here, everything here. Why did he?
Guys, 30,
Enemy
32.
UAV overhead.
At 4,000 damage.
I
Oh, this
knew
is
this was
the
not in that side. I was
Please,
33.
we gotta go right now.
Please, safe,
Yeah.
please, safe. I think we should rotate towards body, guys. Don't go too open.
Bro, we can't. There's a
Oh, there's a car going up
also.
the hill. Yeah.
Yeah.
Enemy vehicle.
But you gotta win, bro.
Is it? You can go to buy.
Ellie?
I don't know, man. Okay, go.
Okay, listen, we need hurry. If one of you can drop the gun, so hurry.
Yeah, I can drop
Because I have
anything.
some.
Can we buy without? We can. It's not worth.
Hurry doesn't have to.
Oh, on top.
Yeah,
We
one.
gotta push them.
Yeah,
We gotta push them, bro.
Two guys landing.
Moving.
Okay. I'm ready to push. You guys ready to push?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
can't somebody guys start.
Enemy near.
Get him. They're not trophy.
My god, so far. I disabled the car.
Enemy
They
UAV
got
overhead.
up. I need guns.
I trapped him. I downed him. Team back.
Nice.
I need guns.
You guys in this house.
On shoulder, hold up. Where's the guns?
Planting charge.
On shoulder, all the guns.
I attacked one. I'm not
One
gonna
with you.
go.
Yeah, push. I'm chasing it. Stun.
Down.
No way.
It's okay, I downed one. Just push. Yeah,
Keep
nice.
that.
Let's go. Elo.
Take the pain. You're fine.
Okay, they have zone. Dude, it's a high ground zone, dude.
Don't make Elo. Why you joking? Oh, it's ready to the guy. Ready to the car guy. I can use his guns.
Bro, he was like,
Guy.
oh, people are here.
Oh my gosh, Elo is so bad. What the hell?
Guys, so many people.
Gas inbound. Safe zone.
No, let him enter.
I downed one.
UAV overhead.
Nice.
Where?
Pushing.
Loadout drop inbound.
Anyone needs plates? I'm buying 2 sacks.
Oh, how do we go on top?
Enemy's ball.
Guys, how do we go on top?
Buddy on my hip.
How do we go on top, guys?
Enemy
There's
UAV
people behind us.
overhead.
We
Let's go
gotta
from
get
left.
there first.
Let's go left. Guys, let's go to the zone.
Listen, first. Hurry. Listen. There's people here, right here.
Down them.
I saw that.
I need his gun.
Oh, guys, land.
Yeah.
This guy dropping.
Where?
Oh, I'm dead.
He's weak.
Nice.
Found him?
Nice. Vertical zone. There's only one way.
Let's go.
Where to go from here? I think we have to go from here. Hold on.
No. We have to go straight up. We have to go straight up right now. Here, with me.
There's some loot here. I'm just gonna get it out.
Not 16 kills.
Nice. Yo.
Nice.
We have gas masks.
Cool. There's a guy right here. We have to ambush him.
We had to ambush him. Literally, I have no good guns. There's people shooting.
I hit him a bit.
Down them.
Nice, dive.
No
kill.
guys.
Down one more. On top.
Got it full.
They were getting
Yeah.
from somewhere.
Down. Teammate.
Zone. Oh my god, I'm dead. Ready. Kill gas mask.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start going.
I'm probably dead here, dude. No, okay, we can skin.
Come. We can rest.
Oh, I've never.
Okay,
There's
I've got
people
you.
there. People on the right. Yeah, people on the right.
Oh, just 17 kills.
That's not fun. Okay.
There.
Shush.
I lighting
Hostile
that.
marked.
Nice.
Hit him a bit. Crack him. He's on.
He's one.
One more.
One more guy sniping.
Attack him.
I'm gonna plant.
Oh, the sniping guy is so weak.
Chill.
Dude, he's so fucking weak right now. I'm pushing.
Got him.
Got one. Oh, behind us. Oh my god, no.
Down one more.
Nice.
Pull.
Can someone rest?
Hold on.
Down him. Got a kill.
Getting
I'm getting shot.
14-7. Okay. I got him. Nobody.
Got him. Teammate.
Nice. Let's go. Okay, 3 teams.
4v1v1,
4v1. Okay.
Oh, we got this.
Bro, look at our kills. Look at 47 kills. On, get him.
Got him?
Let's go.
Nice.
One.
Oh,
One more guy.
One
19.
more guy. Let me get him. Please.
Yeah, you got it. Now I get it. You gotta be hiding
Oh,
somewhere.
he's sniping
Yeah,
from
he's
somewhere.
He's sniping.
Where? Tell me.
I don't know where.
Anyone else really?
No, we don't.
I'll go.
Oh, I see
Guys.
my.
Oh, I see. I'm gonna snipe it. Wait. I'm gonna snipe it.
You feel easy action. Let's go.
Nice. Oh my
Let's
god.
go.